The battlefield can change in seconds, and for Russian soldiers operating near the front lines, the growing presence of Ukrainian drones has created a constant threat from above. Recent battlefield footage circulating online appears to show Russian troops coming under repeated attacks by Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles, highlighting how small drones have transformed the way soldiers move, hide, and fight. The attacks demonstrate the increasingly important role of first-person view, or FPV, drones in the war. These relatively inexpensive systems can be controlled remotely and directed towards specific targets, allowing operators to observe movements from above and react rapidly when an opportunity appears. For troops on the ground, the sudden appearance of a drone can turn an apparently safe position into a desperate struggle for survival. In several reported battlefield incidents, Russian soldiers appear to have been caught in exposed positions while Ukrainian drone operators monitored their movements. The footage often begins quietly, with troops moving across damaged terrain or attempting to reach cover. Then the drone accelerates toward the area, creating a tense sequence in which the soldiers have only moments to recognize the danger and react. The effectiveness of such attacks is closely connected to battlefield surveillance. Modern drones can remain overhead while operators search for movement, vehicles, trenches, and temporary positions. This creates a dangerous combination. One drone may locate a target, while another system or artillery unit can potentially respond. The result is a battlefield in which concealment has become just as important as firepower. Russian troops have increasingly relied on trenches, dugouts, buildings, vegetation, and damaged vehicles for protection. Yet these positions are not necessarily invisible from the air. Drone operators can search from different angles, observe entrances and exits, and track soldiers as they move between positions. Even when a position appears secure from ground observation, it may remain vulnerable to surveillance from above. The psychological pressure is equally significant. Soldiers operating under the constant threat of drones must remain alert for the distinctive sound of approaching aircraft, while also watching the sky and attempting to avoid exposing themselves. Every movement can carry additional risk. A short journey between positions can become a dangerous race for cover when a drone operator spots the group. The threat is particularly serious in open terrain. Fields, roads, and areas stripped of vegetation can leave infantry with few places to hide. Once detected, soldiers may attempt to scatter, run toward cover, or seek shelter in nearby trenches. But the speed of FPV drones can dramatically reduce the time available for such reactions, making even a small tactical movement potentially dangerous. Battlefield footage also illustrates how drones are being used alongside conventional weapons rather than replacing them. Drone operators can provide reconnaissance, identify potential targets, and help commanders understand what is happening beyond the immediate line of sight. This integration has made unmanned systems a central part of modern battlefield operations. For Russian forces, the challenge extends beyond avoiding individual strikes. Maintaining supplies, moving reinforcements, evacuating wounded personnel, and rotating troops can all become more complicated when drone surveillance is widespread. Vehicles moving along predictable routes may attract attention, while soldiers gathering in groups can become easier for drone operators to identify. Ukrainian forces have also adapted their tactics as Russian troops develop countermeasures. Electronic warfare, camouflage, concealment, small arms fire, and other defensive techniques can make drone operations more difficult. Drone operators, in turn, must constantly adjust their methods, creating a technological contest in which both sides attempt to outthink the other. The resulting battlefield is unlike the traditional image of soldiers simply advancing behind armored vehicles. Instead, the sky above the front can be filled with small, unmanned aircraft searching for movement. A soldier may never see the operator controlling the drone, yet the operator may be watching the battlefield in real time from a distant location. For the soldiers caught in these attacks, the final moments can be chaotic. Footage from the conflict frequently shows troops suddenly running for cover after realizing they have been detected. Smoke, explosions, damaged buildings, and collapsing defensive positions can make an already dangerous situation even more confusing. However, individual videos rarely provide enough information to independently establish the full circumstances or casualties of an incident. What is clear is that drones have fundamentally altered the economics of warfare. A relatively small, unmanned system can force soldiers to abandon a position, expose themselves while attempting to relocate, or interrupt an operation that might otherwise have continued unnoticed. The battlefield advantage, therefore, comes not only from destroying targets, but also from forcing an opponent to constantly react. The continuing evolution of drone warfare is likely to make concealment, electronic protection, and rapid adaptation even more important. Both Ukrainian and Russian forces are developing new approaches to counter unmanned systems, while operators on both sides continue to search for weaknesses in their opponent's defenses. Every improvement can trigger another round of adaptation. As the war continues, the images of soldiers scrambling for cover beneath the gaze of drones offer a stark picture of modern combat. The danger is no longer limited to what troops can see directly in front of them. Threats can arrive silently from above, tracked by operators who may be many kilometers away. For soldiers on the ground, that uncertainty can transform every open road, field, and temporary position into a potential danger zone. The broader lesson from these incidents is that drone warfare has become one of the defining features of the conflict in Ukraine. The technology continues to evolve, but its fundamental impact remains the same. Surveillance is faster, targeting can be more immediate, and soldiers have fewer moments to react once they are discovered. As Ukrainian and Russian forces continue adapting, the contest above the battlefield is likely to remain a critical factor in how future operations unfold.